Remember feeling lucky those times you found some coins lying around on the ground when you were taking a walk? You didn't have to work for that money. All you had to do was pick it up. If you're looking to relive that experience, this video is perfect for you. Today, I'll be showing you how you can get paid $5 in Bitcoin with every click. Take note that this is completely free, so pay attention to the steps I'll take you through in this video to make sure that you do everything right and you get that free money. The first website I'll introduce to you will bring back that feeling you felt when you picked up that free money on the street. This is going to get you some Bitcoin for free. Don't worry though, it's very easy, but you just have to pay attention to everything I say. Got it? Now, before we get started, please don't forget to give this video a like. And if you're into making money online, go ahead and subscribe. Make sure that you hit that notification bell so you can follow my channel for more videos like this. Okay, so going back to our video today, the first thing you'll need to do is go to btcclicks.com, which is an advertising website. You can go ahead and explore their site, and you'll notice there that this website is really for Bitcoin users. What's great is that the users will get to view your ad for about 10 to 200 seconds, and the time they spend on other tabs isn't counted. CPC starts from 0.00009 MBTC. And guess what? You don't even have to sign up. You can go on and explore more about that. But what I want you to focus on is what's beside advertisers. You can see here you have earnings. If you look closely, it says you can earn as much as 0.0009 MBTC each click. M here is millivolt, which means you can receive a commission for every affiliate or referral click. Let me explain that. If you send a referral to someone and they head onto this website and follow these steps we'll go through, you will receive 80% commission. But take note that this is a premium membership privilege, and we won't be focusing on that today. Let's get on how you'll get paid per click. To verify whether this website is actually legit, we can go to coindesk.com/calculator. Basically, what this does is compute how much you're going to receive for every click. What we'll do is copy the number you see in btcclicks.com and use the Bitcoin calculator to know just how much we'll earn. After pasting the number we copied, you can see here that we'll actually earn $5.2 per click. For the next step, what we'll be doing is click on Login right here, and we would need to make our own account. So just go right ahead and press Sign Up and input your email address. Just make sure that you put a valid email because you would have to verify your registration. Now put a password and retype it, then complete the CAPTCHA. Once that's done, a new window will appear. What you'll have to do is enter your login details. You can also tick this little box to save your credentials, and you wouldn't have to retype your email and password the next time you log in. Once you're in, you'll see your dashboard where your Bitcoin balance is displayed. Go right ahead and explore the page. You can also find the withdrawal option and the referrals. As we mentioned earlier, we'll be skipping the premium membership option. Here you'll find the history log, account details, and some of the tools you can use for referral and affiliates. Basically, the dashboard is very easy to navigate around. I'm sure you can explore it by yourself. What I want you to do is look at the upper right part of the page where you'll see Surf Ads. Click on that and you'll be redirected to a page with a list of links that you can click on. Pick anything from the links and it will show you ads that you would have to watch. Each ad runs for 10, 20, 80, and 100 seconds. For each category, you will receive a certain amount of Bitcoin as a reward. Let me try it out for you. Let's say I click on this link and I watch this ad that's 10 seconds long. And after I finish watching that, I'll earn some money, which you'll see in your balance. What's awesome about this website is if you're not into Bitcoin, you can get paid via other cryptocurrencies such as Litecoin. And guys, please let me know down in the comment section what cryptocurrencies you're interested in. I'd surely love to know. Now going back, the next thing I want you to do is focus on your account status and information, which you can see on your dashboard. Scroll down and you'll find the affiliate link that you can copy. As we mentioned earlier, this is an important link which you can use to your benefit. I'll get back to that in a bit. And guys, I want you to keep watching this video until the end so you don't miss anything. If something is unclear so far, don't be shy and make sure to leave your questions down in the comment section and I'll be sure to get back to you. Now, right at the top bar, you'll see Help. Click on that and there you can see an earnings calculator which will let you know how much you'll get paid. Make sure to make use of this tool so you can set a goal and track your progress daily. You'll also notice here that if you have 50 referrals, that's 10 clicks per day, which amounts to this much Bitcoin. Using this tool, you'll be able to calculate your monthly earnings, which is awesome. Okay, so for the third step, what you need to do is copy your affiliate link. Go onto youtube.com and search Bitcoin. Of course, there will be tons of results, but what we want are videos that we can repurpose. So make sure to filter the results to copyright free. What you do is download videos that have high engagements and repost these videos on your channel. In the description, input a catchy description of the video. For example, you can put in, "Did you know that you can get free Bitcoin just by clicking?" And then paste your affiliate link along with the description, and that's it. Okay, you guys, I hope you paid attention to every step we went through, because just by following these steps, you'll be able to earn some easy money. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to leave this video a like, and if you had fun with me, I'll see you in the next video. See ya!